If you've been seeing AgeGo all over your feed lately and wondering whether this trending anti-aging platform is actually legit or just another online skincare scam, then stick around because today I'm breaking it all down with an honest, fact-based review. No hype, no sugarcoating, just what you really need to know before spending your money. So, what does AgeGo actually claim? According to their platform, AgeGo focuses on science-backed formulas designed to reduce wrinkles, boost collagen, and improve overall skin wellness. What's interesting is they don't promise unrealistic, overnight miracles like look 20 years younger in 24 hours. Instead, they position themselves as offering gradual, realistic improvement over time. On the surface, that sounds refreshing, but does the performance match the promises? Let's start with the positive signs, because yes, there are a few green flags. First, AgeGo lists all their ingredients transparently on their website, which instantly sets them apart from many shady skincare brands. They also maintain a fairly realistic marketing approach instead of using overly dramatic transformations. Plus, there are independent customer reviews scattered across the web, not just handpicked testimonials from their own site, which gives a broader picture of user experiences. But now, the red flags, and these are important. AgeGo does not provide any published clinical trials or lab-tested research to back up their claims. For a brand positioning itself as science-driven, that's a noticeable gap. On top of that, their customer service details are surprisingly minimal. There's no clear phone number, no physical address, and limited ways to reach real support. This lack of transparency makes it harder to trust the brand fully. And lastly, they use pressure-based sales tactics, things like only 3 left or countdown timers, which are commonly used to push impulse purchases. That doesn't necessarily equal scam behavior, but it definitely raises eyebrows. So what's the final verdict? AgeGo isn't an outright confirmed scam, but it's far from a guaranteed solution. The brand relies heavily on marketing and not enough on publicly accessible scientific validation. If you decide to try it, just remember, results can vary widely, and there's no strong proof that it works as effectively as claimed. Before you buy, here's what I recommend. Always read the full ingredient list. Check third-party reviews, not just what's on their website. Look for a clear refund or satisfaction policy. And as always, talk to a dermatologist if you have sensitive skin or any existing health concerns. Your skin is an investment. Protect it wisely. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want me to review any other trending skincare platforms. Thanks for watching.